Waste management process. Waste generation sources. Waste can be generated from various sources, including households, public places, industries, commercial establishments, and construction sites. Types. Waste can be classified into different categories, such as municipal solid waste, MSW, hazardous waste, electronic waste, e-waste, biomedical waste and more. Waste collection, segregation. The separation of different types of waste at the source facilitates recycling and proper disposal. Collection methods. Waste can be collected through curbside pickup, drop-off centers, or scheduled collection services. Waste transportation, transport modes. Waste is transported using various methods, including trucks, mini pickups. Waste processing, recycling, the process of converting waste materials into reusable products to reduce the demand for raw materials. Composting, organic waste can be composted to produce nutrient-rich soil.